Very good morning to everyone, and welcome to Global Job Circle. And we are here with another very good opportunity for Azure Technical Architect. And we are looking for a total experience of between 10 to 15 years in the cloud technology and must have a relevant Azure experience of 6 years. And this particular position is based out of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The industry for which we are hiring is the petrochemical, and we are not hiring only one resources. We are hiring minimum 10 resources for our client. And more importantly, the position is basically on-site position, and we are looking for a resources having the work permit for Saudi Arabia, or the local resident, or the expatriates to whom we can hire. But for that, for the third category, you should have an exceptional track record professionally. This particular position is for 2 years contractual, wherein the package is $200K per annum, including all incentive, but excluding your relocation and the medical. As a technical architect, you must be aware that you should be extraordinary in identifying the core requirement of the client, or in a pre-sales or the product development team, coordinating with the functional team as well as the production team to come up with the most robust solutioning, or on the architectural side, covering both the service logic and the business logic. It is very important to mention that if you will be given a preference, if you have worked in any of the project where the industry is petrochemical, oil and gas, power sector, or the electricity distribution companies. As an technical architect, you should be having an experience of leading the team leads, team developers, and the testing team, coordinating seamless with the Scrum and the Agile team members, and defining your solutioning in a way which maps with the functional and the technical aspect of the project. So we know that most of the resources having an experience of around 10 to 15 years carry all these knowledge set, and it is in a way we accept as a mandatory, but you will be given an extra preference on the basis of your oral and written English, your experience of writing in a technical document, technical white paper, product white paper, product requirements, and the most important of all is that if you have any experience working with the interreligious, interracial, as well as the global team. You should be a very good listener, and this is a mandatory requirement. So please do share your resume, and which is mentioned at the last of this particular video, with a your job description ID, which is mentioned on the job description. As an Azure Technical Architect, you should be a very good in data integration, that is the data factory, as well as the data integration solutioning. You should know the flow with the Azure Logic Apps, functional storage, service bus, and the Active Directory, identity access management, API management, and all. On the same side, you should be very good, exceptionally good in communication protocol such as HTTP, SFTP, OData, Web API, and gRPC. Without any doubt, I presume that you are too good in networking and security, designing, integration, testing, and promoting that with the performance management tool along with your DevOps CI/CD knowledge set. When it comes to the DB, you should be very good on MySQL, Microsoft SQL, and Cosmos DB. On the programming side, I should say that Node.js and the Python is mandatory, and above all, the Microsoft certification on Azure platform is the must. Please note that before applying for this particular position, if you can join the Indian operation within a month, or if you think that you can relocate within 2 months, then only please you apply. And please do not forget to mention your current CTC, your expected CTC, and the time slots which you can provide for this interview process. We are here to assist you, and we do not guarantee the interview execution, but if you get a call from us, then the interview process will be initiated. We will only call those candidates to whom our client will shortlist. We will be executing 5 rounds of an interview. The first 2 rounds will be very much designed for your ability to map your communication, written, and the team management skill. And if you cross that path, then you will be going into the technical interview process, which the client will be taking, followed by the HR process. And I hope that you got the whole gist of this particular JD, and you will be coming up with a number of applications, and we are looking forward to support you. And again, reiterating, we are not confirming the job, we are not confirming or guaranteeing the job interview. We will call only those candidates who fits into the requirements of the client, and that shortlisting will be coming from the client. So I hope all of us are on the same page. Looking forward to hear from you. Till then, thank you very much, and bye-bye from Global Job Circle.